Hello, this is Dr. Craig Marks, and in this video, I'm going to show everyone how to use Zotero with your university library system. This Google Docs file that I'm showing you here on my screen will have links to how to download Zotero to your computer. And also, as important, you're going to download a Zotero connector to Google Chrome, and you will need that. You're also going to add a Zotero plugin to Microsoft Word, and the second link has a video on how to do that. And then these are some additional supplemental videos below that have other instructions on how to do all that. Okay, so after you do all that, one of the things you're going to want to do is you're going to want to load Zotero before you go to the library. So I'm going to load it. I have it here on my desktop, Zotero. And I am currently working on a study on digital devices and its impact on student achievement. You'll see on the left, I have a folder where I've already downloaded some articles or website citations for the study. Okay. But I'm going to go to my university library, which is Stony Brook University, so library, stonybrook.edu. I'm going to go to databases. I'm going to go to E. And most of the educational journal articles are under the EBSCOhost database. I'm going to go to that. I clicked on D by mistake. E. I'm going to go to EBSCOhost databases. And I need to find an article on cell phone usage and its impact on student achievement, because one of the things I'm finding in my study is that cell phones have a negative impact on student achievement. So I'm going to do an advanced search here. And cell phones, student achievement. Okay. Quick search. And most of these are in college. I'm looking for K through 12. All right, so let's assume just for a second I wanted to use this article. It's mobile phone device effects on students' behavior and academic performance. Okay? I'm going to left click this. And assuming I wanted to add this to my, assuming I wanted to cite this, I would click on the cite feature. Actually, no. So one of the things is I had the instructions on how Zotero, you would download it and you'd have the Chrome extension. So if you look in the upper right of my screen, you'll see Save to Zotero. So I'm going to left click this in the upper right, and it's defaulting to the devices study folder. So it has that. So now it's saved it to my folder, and I can now produce a citation for it in Word as well as the references. Because again, I downloaded all that information before what I showed you here. Like I downloaded Zotero and I downloaded the connector to Google Chrome in the upper right. That allowed me to save it to my folder. And then when I bring up Word, assuming I want to cite the study, let's say I wrote a paragraph, I paraphrased the study that I just added to my folder, and I wanted to put in the citation. Well, because I downloaded the plugin to Word, you'll see there's a arrow feature in the top of my Microsoft Word. So now I want to add the citation that I just did. I want an APA 7. hit OK. And I like to use the classic view. That's just my preference. I'm going to classic view. And if this is the study that I added to my folder, to mobile phone device effects on students' behavior and classroom performance. So this will allow me to put the citation right into Word. I'll hit OK. And that's the in-text citation. Just make sure you change it to Times New Roman 12-point font to be APA compliant. And if I did a direct quote from the study, I would just include the page. So let's assume I got a quote what I just cited. I'll put like let's say page. I'm just making this up here. Now, if you wanted to include the reference at the end, you could go back to Zotero and you would hit add bibliography. And then there is the hanging indent for my references section. So assuming this was the references section, this is a properly formatted reference. I want to make this again Times New Roman. And there you go. You have the citation up here, and then you have the reference here. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you very much.